Hey guys, welcome back to Skillsoft. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI music. Have you ever had the problem of searching a specific music or even having one and you couldn't find them? Now, with the power of AI, you can actually create your own one. You don't have to be an artist to create AI music. All you need to do is type in your idea. So yeah, this is Suno AI. So head over to suno.com and this is where you can create your own AI music. And let's say if you're an artist or a musician, you can see there's an option right here. You can turn any idea into a song, be it lyrics or both. So here you can write your own lyrics if you have one. If not, you can generate them with AI also. And if you have a specific style, you can put it in text right here, or even they have recommended some for you. Last but not least, you also have audio, and within audio, you can upload your existing soundtracks, beats, or even record one on the spot. Awesome. Now, if you haven't already, sign up into Suno. You have many options right here. I'm gonna go with Google. Awesome. Okay, and there you go. And look at that, we got a new feature, which is remixing. Now, let me take you through the process of Suno. So, welcome to Suno. Create original music with just a prompt, go deep with advanced editing tools, publish to the community and share your creation. That is amazing, especially for YouTubers who wanted to have background music but have copyright issue. Suno can help you solve that. And what's amazing is that you can do it for free. So here you go. If you have any specific genre that you are interested in, you can just put that right here. So let's choose an example. Let's go with R&B, jazz, lo-fi, trap R&B right here. You can even enter your own genres. Let's say if you like funk, so you can even put that in. So let's go with this for now. Hit on next. Here you can put in your username and your display name, and for your birth date. Awesome. And as you can see, this is your workspace right here. Now you can explore this by yourself, everything from home to library. You can also click explore to discover your very own specific music. As you can see, there's a lot of type of genres, type of music. You can roll a dice, you can generate one totally random. That is what's cool about Suno. Now going back here, as you can see, this is the previous option, simple, which is basically just from prompt. Unless you are an artist, you can click onto custom. You can create your own specific music right here. So I'm gonna click a simple one, and because Skillsofted is in the software tutorial niche, so what I want to do is I'm gonna create music specifically for our channel Skillsofted. So I'm gonna describe my song. Create me a tutorial background music. Let me put a specific one, tutorial video background music. Awesome. Here you can upload your own audio or record it. Lyrics, you can also add yourself one right here. It will take you to custom. But since we focused on software tutorial videos, we can go with instrumental. There's also inspiration you can choose from, such as rap, hip-hop, punk, worship music, ambient, R&B, classical, and many more. So let's try to find the right one for our channel. You even have natural vocals. That is amazing. Let's take some examples. I'm gonna go with rap or hip-hop. Maybe we can play with R&B. We can play with jazzy undertones. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this 3 inspirations. So let's hit create, and as you can see, the music is actually generating right now. And in fact, we have 2. Interesting. Okay, let's hear them out. You got the first one right here. I'm gonna skip forward a little bit. Wow, that is amazing. Look at that. And it's still generating. This is only what, 35 seconds? Awesome. Let's look at the second one. Okay, this is very nice. Let's skip a little bit further. Let's see what else we have. Wow, that is amazing. And in fact, this is actually the music that is being played in this tutorial video, and I just created this live in front of you guys right here. This is amazing. And not many people know about Suno, so that's what makes Suno so great. It only takes 10 credits to produce 2 songs, and just imagine the possibilities of music that you can create. And you don't have to be a musician or an artist. Now, if you want to download your music right here, you can click this triple dot and navigate to download and click MP3 audio. And this pop-up will show this is only for commercial use and commercial right. So if you were to use this for commercial use, which means that you are using the song to make financial gain, to make some money from it, that you will have to upgrade to Pro or Premier. Right here, you can manage your Suno plan monthly or yearly. And now if you were to use it for personal use, you can just click download anyway. So now I'm actually curious what kind of music that you are going to create. So don't forget to leave a comment down below on what kind of genre, what type of music that you are creating. Who knows, you can get some ideas from other people in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial video, don't forget to hit the like button and of course subscribe to watch more of this type of tutorial content to improve your everyday life, especially AI in today's technology. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.